Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you guys how I make this vertical zigzag striped bracelet, and it has dots going along the bracelet. It's a very beginner friendly bracelet to make. And so what I've already done is I've picked out my two colors. I've tied an overhand knot, and I've already started the bracelet just to make the tutorial a little bit simpler to follow. But what you guys want to do is find two different colors. You want two of each color, and you want to fold it in half and then tie an overhand knot. I'm going to leave the exact measurements down in the description box for you guys. And yeah, so we can get started. So we're going to be working in pairs. So if you can see, I've arranged my string like this. So the first color will be the white, and then the second will be the pink, and then the third is the pink, and then the fourth is the white, the fifth is the white, and then pink, pink, white. So that's how you want to arrange the string. And again, we're working in pairs. So first, we're going to make a backward knot from the second string to the first string. And then between the third and the fourth string, we're going to create a forward knot. So from the pink to the white, one forward knot. And then we're going to create another forward knot between the fifth and the sixth string. And now we're going to create a backward knot between the 8th and 7th string. Now what we're going to do is take out the outermost strings, which is the pink for me, and we are going to work in pairs between these colors here. So we have two whites, two pinks, and two whites here, and we're going to create backward knots between each of them. So two backward knots, 1 and 2. We put that to the side, and we're going to create another backward knot, and another backward knot. Now we're going to bring the pinks back in, and we're going to work in pairs again. And we're going to create a forward knot between the first and second string. Here we go. And then between the third and fourth, we're going to create a backward knot from the fourth to the third string. Now we're going to create a backward knot from the 5th to the 6th string. And then one forward knot from the 7th to the 8th string. There we go. Now we're going to bring the outermost strands out again, and whenever we're working with the innermost strands, we're going to be making backward knots, and that's the easiest way to make sure that you don't mess up the pattern, is just to make sure that you're making backward knots anytime you're not working with the outermost strings. So between the two pinks, one backward knot, one backward knot, and one backward knot. And that is the entire pattern. So then from there, you just start from the very beginning and you continue until your desired length. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any other tutorials that you guys would like to see, please leave them down in the comment section below. Thanks so much, guys. Bye-bye.